I am ready to change yarn on my essential blanket. I'm actually changing colour, which is the same method whether you're changing just to a new ball of the same colour or a new ball of a different colour. So I have snipped my existing the colour I've finished using, leaving about a 20 centimetre tail there, and I have my new yarn here, so again we'll leave about a 20 centimetre tail on that, which we will weave in when we've finished. So holding that new yarn in my right hand, grab your right needle, put that through the first stitch, and then taking the new yarn, just hold it underneath so you've got everything sort of held in place behind your work. I'm on the right side of my work. For changing any yarn, we need to be on the right side. So then just start knitting with that new colour and just hold it in place underneath. So we'll just get those first few stitches underway. Slip that marker. Okay, and so that's all you need to do, and then you can just pull on those tail strands there just to tighten up where you've joined, and later on when we do weaving in the ends we will just attach tapestry needle to those ends and just weave them in down that inside of that I-cord, so you won't even notice them. So when you come back again to the beginning, you can tighten those tails again, just if you feel they're a little bit loose, and continue on. So any sort of gaps or anything will be taken care of when we weave in the ends after we're finished. So I'm now knitting with my second colour, and yeah, looking good.